Hello everyone, welcome to the Inquiry Lab multiplied by powers of 10. This is page 209 and we're going to go over the first couple steps of this Inquiry Lab. So inquiry, how can number patterns be used to multiply powers of 10? Each planet in our solar system orbits around the sun at a different distance from the sun. Mercury orbits at an average distance of 28 and 6/10 million miles. 1 million miles is 1 million is 1 million. What is 28 and 6/10 times 1 million? So what do we know? Well, based off the question, we know that Mercury orbits at an average distance of 28 6/10 of miles. So we know Mercury average distance is 28 and 6/10 million miles. What do we need to know? We need to know what is 28 and 6/10 times 1 million. Alright, so we're going to move over to the hands-on activity. It says numbers like 10, 100, and 1,000 are called powers of 10 because they can all be obtained by raising 10 to a power. So what this is saying, this is a little advanced. So 10 to the first power equals 10, 10 squared equals 100, 10 cubed equals 1,000, and so on. So use the table to find a pattern. So we have 28 and 6/10 times 1/10 equals 2 and 86/100. And then we could do it times 1 equals 28 and 6/10. 28 6/10 times 10 equals 286. And 28 and 6/10 times 1,000 equals 28,000. So this is move the decimal point to the blank number of places as the number of zeros in the power of 10. So go ahead and pause the video and think about what pattern do we see with the number of zeros in the power of 10. So just move the decimal point the same number of places as the number of zeros in the power of 10. So if you look up here at 1,000, that has 3 zeros. So we must have moved the decimal place 3 times, and that would give us, I'm gonna zoom in for us. If we moved it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, that would give us 28,600, just exactly how it is here. It says move the decimal point to the blank when multiplying by a power of 10 that is less than 1. So we have a power of 10 less than 1 that is here, and we moved the decimal point, so we have 28 and 6/10, and the product was 2 and 86/100. That must mean the decimal point moved to the left when multiplied less than 1. Move the decimal point to the blank when multiplying by a power of 10 that is greater than 1. So when we look at 10, or 1,000, we moved the decimal point as 28 and 6/10, and the product was 286. That must mean we moved the decimal point to the right when multiplying by a power of 10 that is greater than 1. This information here is really going to help us solve all the answers in the problems on page 210. So this is very important information that you can refer back to when you need help. So step 2, determine how many zeros are in 1 million and move the decimal point in 28 and 6/10 the appropriate number of places. There are blank zeros in a million. So that means there are 6 zeros in a million. And since this is greater than 1, we are going to move the decimal point to the right 6 times. So we know 28 and 6/10 times a million equals 28,600,000. And that is the end of the notes. So thank you for watching.